Hey there everyone, hope everyone's doing great today. Today we're going to be unboxing another Oris watch, and I'm excited about this one. It's an Oris Heritage, which means we're going to be taking a look at Oris Divers 65. Now the 65 models were reintroduced to the line a few years ago, and it's been one of their more successful models, and so they keep changing it up. So let's take a look at this one. And it's hidden, so with that means we're going to be taking a look at a bronze watch. Here we go. This one's got the green face and with the bronze accent, and the stainless steel head with the leather strap. A really nice model. The green and the brown, along with that bronze, it just pops. It's really nice looking. It's hard to get a good video on the 65 because of the curve of that crystal, so I'll show you a few angles here so you can see it and appreciate it. You can see the markers there on the bronze along with the bezel. Just a little accent, it's not an all bronze watch, but it just looks good. It pops, the bicolor with the stainless steel. And you can see the green. It's a rich green, and it all works together, This Oris Diver 65, it's a 10 bar, so it's 100-meter water resistance, and for a dive watch that sounds like a little, but it's a real 100 meters, and they wanted to keep it with the look of the 65 watch. And here we can see the wrist shot of this guy, and you can see, man, it just pops. It's a nice that green with the bronze and the brown. This is my favorite way to have this green watch, with that brown leather strap. If you guys like to change the straps, it's a 20 millimeter width there, so you can see it there on my wrist. My wrist size is about a 7.5 inch wrist, and this size watch, it looks about perfect on it. It doesn't look too big, doesn't look too small. Overall, like all Diver 65, pretty much, it's a great addition to the Oris line. Keeping in line with the 65 model, it's got a real faint lume to it. Again, the video doesn't capture it as well as it is in real life. So there you go. Thanks guys, thanks for taking the time to take a look at the video. Have a good day.